DJI may be preparing a surprising shift in its FPV lineup. Instead of the long robot Avata 3, the company is working on something more unconventional that could shape up the emerging 360 drone market. With Insta360 gearing up with its own drone debut, the timing will be coincidental. Reports suggest DJI's next FPV style release will arrive as a DJI Avata 360, which is a direct counter to Insta360's anti-gravity A1, the company's first drone expected to launch in January next year. This is a notable departure from all expectation built over the last 6 months, which pointed out to the traditional third-generation Avata. Rumors about the Avata 3 began circulating earlier this year, with the same period leaks hinted at the Neo 2 and Mini 5 Pro. Both drones have since been launched, but Neo 2 has been positioning as a wider global rollout this time. But many were waiting for DJI to follow up the refined Avata 3. Photos showcase a drone that's nothing like the Avata 2. Instead of the compact rounded FPV frame, the prototype revealed a flatter, more unconventional layout. The unconventional design comes in light of DJI isn't refining the Avata formula, it is repurposing it. According to leaker Igor, who now claims to have direct confirmation, DJI will introduce Avata 360, a drone aimed at the 360 aerial capture market. This positions it as the direct competition to Insta360's upcoming anti-gravity A1, a bold strategic move considering Insta360's dominance in immersive imaging. Pricing is said to be around $1,099, though no supportive information has been shared. DJI's decision signals a pivot towards immersive FPV filmmaking at the time when 360 drone niche is just heating.